He came actually from the weekend. He was there.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Like last video, it was just a hard end because I was tired and the route just actually ended with just a ferry ride of 3 hours to Bodo. So yeah, now I am at Bodo. Arrived here at midnight. Just had an amazing good sleep. Finally, like a good bed and something warm because it was freezing there. Yeah, I had a good night's sleep, had some breakfast already. So now I'm going to pack everything up and then I'm going to head south, and this time on mainland Norway. What is it going to be like? Well, I'm following the E17. It's a coastal road, it's a scenic coastal road here in Norway and well known for lots of cool places. So we will see about that, what the day will bring us. And I'm also meeting up with another guy from Instagram, because we all know the story of the drone. Well, my new drone has been delivered there in at his home, so I'm going to switch it, and then yeah, we continue our trip. So now let's pack and see you back on the bike. That this is a scenic route, yeah, that's an understatement. Route 17 is basically riding from start to finish with your mouth wide open. And every now and then you just swallow because otherwise you're going to dry out. And then after a corner, you're back speechless. It's clear to me the north isn't the place for the thrilling rides. It's more about cruising and taking in everything around you. And honestly, it feels good. Just slowing down a bit. No stress. I feel like today is the first day I'm really in the zone of traveling. The first week there was this pressure to reach my destination and to keep moving. But here, I don't feel that at all. I just want to be here. I've already learned so much from this trip, and hopefully I can take this feeling back home with me. Usually after a motorcycle trip, I come back as a completely different person. And the more I travel, the more I want to keep going. Motorcycle travel really is a kind of virus. Once it's in your system, it will never leave. What I'm learning most of all is that the world outside our little bubble is so much more beautiful than they make us believe. And today, well, the weather is playing with me a bit. One moment sunny and the next a proper downpour. But yeah, that's fine.
Semrah told me that there is a place in this region that most people never visit. He said it's speechless. And after everything I have already seen, something even more beautiful, but it quickly became clear. There's always another place that tops it. We rode up to Storglomvatnet, a reservoir for a hydroelectric power station. One of the biggest of Norway. Absolutely breathtaking to see how the lake was still completely frozen and the road beyond it still covered in snow. Just stunning. Oh, and I have to show you this. The first cat that I've seen in ages. Such a cutie. I could have sat here for hours with that little thing. Adventures evolve, days evolve, everything evolves. Sometimes you start a day by saying, wow, this is going to be amazing. And it ends so crappy. But it's also possible that you think, like, nah, don't feel it. And then it ends on a place like this. This morning I was so excited to leave because of the sun, and I know my mood is swinging. Like when it's warm and the sun is out, I'm happy. When it's raining, I'm depressed. And yeah, this morning it felt so damn good. And then suddenly it started to rain. I got mad. And then, yeah, like I already told you, if life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. And damn, that was good lemonade. Really, thank you, my dear Norwegian friend, that you helped me with the drone, but also that you show me this hidden gem, because it was amazing. So yeah, the day is over. I'm going to get in my tent, have a good night's sleep. Just going to enjoy a little bit this, because this is amazing to be here now. And tomorrow we will see what brings tomorrow. I'm officially now I'm officially past the polar circle. So I hope it's going to be much better weather from now on, or warmer at least, but we will see. It was an amazing trip today. For so far, the adventure has already been like epic, and there is so much more to come. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, yeah, you know the drill. Don't forget to like. If you're not already subscribed, well, do that. It helps me a lot. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next one.